I can tell your mother you had more birds than she did.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Big smile.
They're heavy, eh?
A little bit, yeah.
Hey, hey, hey. How old are these?
Well, they all have different ages. He's 4, she's 7. The one you have on your head is 9. This one. That's Ray.
Ray. Just like my brother.
He's only 4 years old.
Ray? Hey, look at the colors. I can't get over how vivid the colors are.
Yeah. He's a hyacinth macaw. It's the largest species of macaws, and it's also an endangered species.
Is it? Hey. You want to turn around now?
Here. Oh. Pick it up further.
Whoop. Sorry.
Our first Florida Wildlife Show will take place in just 7 minutes. If you would like to see this performance, please follow the trail signs to the Parrot Bowl. The show will start.
Oh, look, there's one on the ground.